Hey mamas and daddies, I am going to share 6 brain development activities part 2. If you have already seen part 1, it's great. If you haven't seen yet, please go through the link in the description because part 1 is very important to understand part 2 properly. The first 1000 days of child's life, right from the conception to second birthday of the child, are considered to be neurologically very significant because maximum brain development is happening during this time. This is called critical phase for neurological development. Let's begin with activity number 1. Music. Play music to calm baby. Play soothing music when baby is going to sleep. Sing for baby. Sing with baby. Play musical instruments for babies. Let baby play with musical instruments. Musical instruments my kids use, I have shared the link in the description. Listening and playing music produced healthy dose of endorphin, the happiness hormone. According to one study from the Institute of Learning and Brain Science, detected after babies listen to music, their auditory and prefrontal cortex looked different. These are the region of the brain in charge of processing both music and speech. Not only that, when young children interact with others, the positive effect of listening music have seen to extended to personality traits like being helpful and cooperative. Sign language. Newborn time is excellent time to introduce sign language for frequent activities like diaper change, hungry, hurt or nursing baby. Research shows that sign language speed up speech development and reduce stress, frustration in young children by giving them meaning to express themselves by sign language. Much before they know how to talk, it increases parent-child bonding and let babies communicate vital informations like hungry, hurt, sleepy. I am going to share 5 sign languages. You want food? Food. Do you want more food? All done? Are you all done? You want milk? Milk. This sign comes from milking the cow. It can be breast milk as well as formula milk. You want water? Water. Just fold your thumb and little finger and make W of your 3 fingers and say you want water? Water. If you want to learn more sign language, please write in the comment box. I will upload a specific video on sign language for babies. Number 3. Noticing pattern. From around 8 weeks, baby starts noticing pattern and shapes. Make sure you give them time to observe and study lot of patterns and shape in their surrounding throughout the day. Grasp and hold. From around 7 to 8 weeks, babies can grasp and hold toys. You can encourage them by providing many rattles and toys. They offer unique texture and easy to hold. As baby grows, give them touch and feel. Babies learn so much about their environment through sense of touch. You can encourage this by offering them lot of unique and sensory experience throughout the day. There are so many textures available at home. Touch and feel activity will spark the curiosity in child to explore new things and world around them. It increases your child's vocabulary by allowing them to associate the textures they feel with the words it described. Another way to provide them a lot of textures all together is sensory book. You can make it by yourself, or if you don't have time, you can buy it. These sensory books encourages the love for the books and make reading fun, which will be valuable for child as child grows. I have shared the link in the description for sensory book. Multiple language exposure. According to new research led by New York University Faculty of Health, infants who are exposed to more than one language shows better attention control than infants who are exposed to only one language. Exposure to bilingual and multilingual environment should be considered a significant factor in early development of attention in infancy, and it improves functioning skills, better working memory, and improves ability to see others' perspective. Mamas and daddies, please do these activities regularly. Be constant. See you soon with next very useful video. Lot of love to parents and their babies.